Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm planning for the week of May 17th through the 23rd. This week I'm going to use this kit called Navy Florals from Pretty Planner Printables. It's a shop, I guess, on Pinterest, and she has really cute kits here. I did take this full box and cut it down into 1/4 inch high strips to use as headers. So I already did that. That's why there's little dash marks here. And then because it's also happy planner size, I cut off the bottom row of hearts in this checklist so that they'll fit down here. So with that, I also pulled some washi tapes. This one's from Michaels. These two are from AliExpress. This one is from Amazon. And then these two skinny ones, I believe, are also both from Amazon, if I turn the clouds right side up. So my plan is to use these headers along the top, and then I'm going to use these two washi tapes along the bottom, and then I'm going to stick down the weekend banner, and then I'm going to come back and put down the full boxes, and then we can talk about I think I'm going to need a little skinny washi strip still, plus putting these down. So I'm going to do the bits that I can do and then be back in just a second. All right, so here's what I have so far. Let me know how it turned out. I originally put these headers like not in order, but then it looked more weird, so I moved them to be in order. The way the pattern kind of repeats, it makes it so that like every other header is pretty much the same. I still have these two left, so I'll just use those wherever I have space, I guess. Obviously, this is the sidebar sticker. It means that I don't really have a functional sidebar, but I think that that's going to be fine. There's nothing urgent this week, so I'm going to be fine without it. I go back and forth about how to space these when I use these Pretty Planner Printables kits. And I think for this one, my best bet will be to line it up with this edge and then trim off the excess. I think that's going to work out the best, because I think I don't want to like butt up against Monday. So yeah, as you can see, today is Thursday when I am filming. All right, so there we go. That is now trimmed up. And then there's this little space down here, so I think I'm going to use these last two little headers that I pulled. They're slightly shorter, but I don't think that's really noticeable. There, I think that looks fine. So we are good to go on that. In terms of the full boxes, I feel like those two kind of go together. Those two go together. I have one left over too. I hadn't considered that. Maybe I'll put that one as my leftover. Sure, let's go with that. I'm gonna stick this one, it's kind of like a larger pattern in the middle here. And then I feel like I want these two pattern heavy ones to come next. All the scrippy scraps are trying to attack me right now. I think I'll do these. I think this one on this side. And then finally, these two. I'll stick this one here. And let's stripe one over on Sunday. All right, there we go. Good enough. Not perfectly straight, but it's fine. I'm going to take this little heart washi. I think I'm going to use the heart one, or do I want to use the little clouds? Maybe I'll use the clouds. I'm going to stick this down next, and then I'm going to stick down these guys, and then I'll be back again so we can go through the plans. All right, there we go. Got it all done. This washi is not quite as wide as the little bit of header left, but I feel like once you center it, you don't really notice it. So I think it looks pretty cute. This guy is like really crooked. Wow. It's like I didn't even try. All right, well, that looks a little better. I have this one row of little hearts down here left. I'll use these probably to mark various things during the week. And then I'll have this leftover box that I'll just put in my leftovers in the future. All right, with that, I think we are ready to do the plans. So the big thing this week is work. That's mostly all that's going on. So I have these stickers from Creative Cabinet Studio. I'm just looking. There we go. For my tweezers, these are Beauty 360 tweezers from CVS. Nothing super exciting there. So I am just gonna stick these guys down. I'm kind of sticking to more or less the colors that are in here. Obviously it's not a perfect match, but I feel like I'm kind of getting to colors that go, which is what really matters. So there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll pull out the rest in a second. And then I also have these Piper Paper Company film tapes. I have an affiliate link below with a coupon code. If you want to use it, you get 20% off, and I get a little bit towards free stickers from Piper Paper Company. No pressure. Obviously, you don't have to use it, but just letting you know if you do want a coupon code to her shop. So I'm going to stick that down for Monday. That'll be when my Plan With Me goes live. So by the time you guys see this, hopefully you liked that Plan With Me. Otherwise, there's not a ton going on this week. I'm gonna stick, sorry, my cat's like attacking my arm right now. I'm gonna stick these guys down. That's for Thursday. And then I'm gonna use this one. Oh no, he's trying to like attack my filming lines. This one for Friday. All right, so that's kind of that. Other than that, I don't think I actually really have anything going on this week. So I think that's pretty much it. Like has happened several times recently, not really enough to actually bother writing anything in. So just stick around for a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread pretty much. This little box here will be for filming right now, and that'll be pretty much everything, I think. I loved how it turned out. Just a little bit of foil here. You can do like the wiggle and the twerk. So this kit from Pretty Planner Printables, all I have left is the one extra full box, which I will throw in my leftovers to be organized someday, like so many other things. So if I don't mention it, it comes from that kit. The bottom washi, the wide one's from Michaels, and the skinny one's from Amazon. And then this skinny washi is also from Amazon. These headers are cut up full box. So all these laptops are from Creative Cabinet Studio. This is a Piper Paper Company icon. Another one from Creative Cabinet Studio. Same with this. Same with this. This is a leftover, I think from Chase, maybe Britannia Nicole leftover. This is a Creative Cavern Studio. This is a Courses Creations. And then this one I believe is a leftover from my shop. And that's really all I used. Everything else came from the kit, mostly just these checklists. And then the cutoff part of the checklist made all these little filled in hearts along here. So pretty simple, basic, but I love the colors. I think it's really fun and cheerful and definitely very good for this transition of spring into summer. It's definitely feeling like summer this week. It was in the 80s, especially in this half the week. So definitely glad for that. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using for the rest of summer. I'm starting to plan it out and I'm like really behind and I should already have all of June at least figured out and I don't. So definitely need to work on that. Hopefully a project for the coming week. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops. I post a little bit about my reading, about my life, all of that good stuff. And until next time, bye.